Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about difference between DNA and RNA. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here we have some differences between DNA and RNA. DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. What does it mean? It means at 2' position we have hydrogen group. On the other hand, we have ribonucleic acid or RNA. It means at 2' position we have hydroxyl group. Second difference is DNA is double-stranded, but except some viral DNAs which are single-stranded. RNA is single-stranded, but only when these are self-complementary sequences are formed, it is double-stranded. Third difference is in DNA we have thymine is present, but in RNA we have uracil. Next we have DNA follows Chargaff rule because adenine forms 2 hydrogen bond with thymine and guanine forms 3 hydrogen bond with cytosine. So it follows the Chargaff rule. Next we have in RNA it does not follow the Chargaff rule because self-complementary sequences are not present. DNA is found in nucleus, mitochondria and plasmid, while RNA is mainly present in cytoplasm. In DNA, single copy per cell present, but in RNA, many copies of RNA is present. DNA resides alkali action due to absence of hydroxyl group at 2' position. But on the other hand, RNA can easily be destroyed by alkalis due to cyclic diesters of mononucleotide. Next we have DNA has just only one type that stores and transfers genetic information, while on the other hand, RNA has various types and each has specific function like messenger RNA, transfer RNA, ribosomal RNA, heteronuclear RNA and small nuclear RNA. Each type has its own specific function. Next we have DNA is a stable molecule. Why? Because spontaneous degradation is very slow. But on the other hand, RNA is a labile molecule because it easily and spontaneously degrades. In the DNA, millions of base pairs are present like adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. While on the other hand, in RNA, varies about 100 to 5000 base pairs are present. DNA can replicate itself by DNA replication, and it can also form RNA by transcription. While on the other hand, RNA can also form by DNA by a process known as reverse transcription. DNA has variable forms like A, B and Z. But on the other hand, the RNA has no variable physiological forms. DNA contains genes that code for proteins, while on the other hand, RNA carries amino acid that forms a specific proteins. DNA stores the genetic information that controls the action, but the RNA translates this genetic code into a proteins. So here we have some differences between DNA and RNA. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and take care.